So guys, every time we tried to get out for a ride in January, everything was on fire. What are you gonna do? But we finally got out and we're sharing a video with you now. Check it out. Well, how was that?
That was pretty good.
Not too bad, right? Nothing was on fire.
No fires.
No
floods.
Super high winds. There was wind.
Yeah.
But it was okay.
We'll take what we can get.
So we decided to hook up with a few friends at their suggestion to go check out the Rock Inn out by Lake Hughes. Now this is not to be confused with the Rock Store, right Mike?
Yeah, that's right. The Rock Store is on Mulholland.
We met up at our usual spot, and you know what? It's a popular place. There were a couple other guys meeting up there too for a different ride.
Yep, looks like everybody had the same idea on a beautiful day.
Now, Mike and I aren't quite retired yet. Yet. We finally made it up to our destination, and I gotta say, when we pulled up, the place looked pretty cool to me. Thanks.
Thank you. Should we come back when you're not as busy?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Well, what do you think there?
That'll work.
Good eats, good atmosphere, and good friends, and we were good to go right after lunch, and we headed on back out. You know, guys, honestly, I don't think we could have picked a better day to get out there and take a ride up to Lake Hughes, California. Now, last month when we tried to go, as I said, everything was freaking on fire. And in fact, a lot of these roads were actually closed. So it was a real joy and a real pleasure to actually get out there. I had a great time, and so did Mike. You should check it out if you're out this way. You know, we are blessed to typically be all-season riders out here in California. Have you gotten out on your bike at all this year in 2025? Leave a comment below and let us know where you like to go. Meanwhile, we'll get back to the ride. All good things come to an end, and we soon had to say goodbye to our friends and head off on our own to head back home. How was that?
That was pretty good.
Not too bad, right? Nothing was on fire.
No fires.
No
floods.
Super high winds. There was wind.
Yeah.
But it was okay.
We'll take what we can get.
Oh yeah, we'll take what we can get. That was a good one.